Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know of a deal that I just got. I got this iPhone 14 for pretty much close to free. What I did is I had an iPhone 12 that had some cracks on the back, and I have a Verizon account. And that iPhone 12 was paid off and it was pretty old. So I went and looking at maybe replacing the back part of the broken iPhone. And it cost, I think, $179 to replace the back of the iPhone. And then I just thought, well, let me go to Verizon and see what they got going on as far as discounts right now. So what I did is I brought my iPhone 12 in. I have a Verizon, it's on Verizon. And they said, hey, if you want, you can have a completely free phone for iPhone 14. You even get to keep your old phone. So I still have the iPhone 12 that has the back cracked a little bit. And they basically signed me up. The only catch is you have to change your phone number.
They may also force you to stay with them for 3 years, but I'm not sure about that. Check your contract.
So I went and changed my phone number. I really don't care. I just gave everybody the new phone number. And I have a new iPhone 14 now instead of an iPhone 12 that was cracked. Now there is also one other item. Depending on where you are in your billing cycle, you may be charged for a second phone for a little while, for like less than a month, until that billing cycle is over. So we had 20 more days left in our billing cycle, so I got charged pretty much another month for a second line.
Just make sure that you cancel that second line after you get the new phone, and it might be delayed for a couple of weeks. And that way, you're still getting phone calls on that line, and you could see if you missed anything when you move everything.
But for the cost of that line compared to this phone, it's well worth getting the phone. It's almost like it's free. I'm thinking we probably paid $40 for the second line. For a new phone, an iPhone 14 from an iPhone 12 that was cracked, I think it was worthwhile. Don't forget, you have that iPhone 12, you could clear it and you could sell it on eBay. Even though it has the cracks on the back of mine anyway, you could still sell it. They didn't care if it was cracked. I don't even know if they cared if it worked. All they wanted to do is change that phone number out. So I let them change the phone number out, and I got a new iPhone 14 out of the deal. So I want to let you know how you can basically get a free iPhone 14 from Verizon.